finally done it. I finally went camera crazy. So after buying over the years and receiving as gifts cameras, more photo style cameras that do video, and video cameras, and I even bought this even though it's old as hell because, you know, it's a camera. And I have another camera that's not here that I threw in e-recycling because it got broke, which I replaced with this. And then I got an old 1990 VHS camera in that case there. And I got this thing, which is an HP T450, which does excellent video for what I paid for, $100. Anyways, something like that. So I finally did it. I finally lost my mind. I finally bought something that is high end. Look at that. It's the GoPro Hero. It's not the Hero 3, but the reason I get Hero 3 is, well, for one, it's super expensive. Even the basic Hero 3 is going to come up to $300. And this one was very cheap for what it was. I think they're all on sale anyway. I spent this cost $160 before taxes. But it comes with software and all that, even though I might not use it. It depends, but we'll see. Anyways, the other reason I didn't get it, even if I had the money, just to get the camera, 60 frame per second 1080p takes up a crap ton of space compared to 30. Even 720/60 takes up the same amount of space as 1080/30. I don't have that much space on my computer. Well, I do. I got a terabyte hard drive, but it's got a lot of stuff on it, and this would fill it up quick. I mainly bought it as just for my bike to protect myself, but I wanted something good quality. Oh my fuck. Did I really just do that? I didn't know that it was half a case. I did not know this. It's totally fine. It has a year's warranty anyway, free of charge, so here it is. Look how small it is. It fits in the palm of my hand, yet it records 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. It takes 5 megapixel pictures at 5 frames per second bursts. Has all these options you can get for it. Over 60 mounts and accessories counting. It's waterproof up to 40 meters or 131 feet. So this can go underwater, which is awesome. Maybe I'll take it on the boat and go swimming with it. Why not? Just don't drop it. Anyways, yeah, it's waterproof, so that's cool. Alright. What else is in here? Probably not a whole bunch. I bought a mount for my helmet. Front mount. I just actually came back from Walmart on my e-bike. So yeah. So I got that. That was about, well, tax is $20. So everything cost me $227 something. So we got here. Well, it comes with adapters. USB connector, obviously. It uses a normal one, not some kind of stupid thing. An extra back bar. I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe, I don't know. Instructions will tell me. Oh, GoPro stickers. Cool. Hero. Got a bunch of manuals, so I'm going to read through that. Get started with GoPro on their website. So that's what's in there. Very basic, very simple. That's cool. I could put a GoPro connector on my car, put a sticky on there, and I could take it on my car for long trips, I guess. That'd be cool. We'll do that. Maybe I'll rally the car. So yeah, that's what comes with it. Besides this, I bought this separately, obviously, but yeah. So we'll put on our bike and we'll have a little drive tonight. How about that? Forgot to buy a micro SD card, so I just rushed over to Staples. That was like $13 if you round it up. That's it. Sports camcorder, smartphone, digital camera, tablet, tublet. that is not coming off. Simple as that. It just finished charging, so we'll take a look at how this goes. Now, interesting thing about the GoPro, if you've never really seen what one looks like, there's no display or anything. It's just a camera. But it has a little LCD, like old-fashioned little LCD screen thing going on here. That tells you a little bit of information, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on. This is on. That's on, isn't it? There it goes. Whoop. And you can go through the different modes. So it's pretty cool. And you just press to start recording. So now I got 1080, so I have a few options that I can choose from. I can either record at 1080p. They're all ultra-wide ratio. They're all the ultra-wide ratio field of view, but you can either record 1080p at 30 or 25 frames per second, 720p at 60 or 50 frames per second, or 720p Super View at 60 and 50 frames per second. Super View, basically what that does, I think, if I recall correctly, it basically gets more, like it has a wider range of view in the same resolution. So it even tells me here my battery level and how much time I have left. Recording time on the memory card I'm using. And it says 2 hours, unless that's, no, that can't be right, that's the battery. 2 hours and 20 minutes, I don't know if that's the battery or if that tells you how much recording time you have left, so I'll have to dick around with that. And I'm trying to save space, I'll use 720p, although I wish it had a 720p 30 frames per second option, because the 720p at 60 frames per second takes up almost as much space as 1080p at 30 frames. So, oh well. We'll try 720p at 50 frames per second, so we'll have a high frame rate at least, so that's nice. So this is just the basic Hero, by the way, just a reminder. It's not the Hero 3. This was the cheapest one. Again, I did go out and buy a memory card because I forgot. I got one at Staples. And, see, I think everything was less than $250 for the camera, the top mount. I meant to get a side mount. I don't know why I got the wrong one, but they're the same price, so I'll just get both. But there's a side mount for the same price, $17 and something at Wally Mart. And then I can have it on the side of the helmet, or I can have it on the top. So that's pretty awesome. But today we're doing it on the top, or tonight I guess. We're going to have a night drive tonight. So settings, we'll select that. Date and time. Is the date and time right? Oh my god, it is too, ain't it? Let's see, May 8th, 2015. It's a day ahead. Oh well, I'll fix it later. Or I could fix it now, I guess. Oh, my back, what the fuck? The time is right, the day was off. Okay, so let's get this mounted. I don't know, I got this thing set up, I ran out of memory on the camera. I don't know if I was talking about anything, but anyways. Of course, the GoPro also comes with one of these, and also a flat version of this for flat surfaces. When you buy one of these, it comes with another one, so basically what you want to do is we're going to, I'm doing it wrong. Put your visor down, slide it on, and that's strong as shit. And then what we're going to do is basically get the GoPro on the very top. So you just take off the bolt, and I'll adjust the camera here so you can see a little better what I'm doing. Okay, and you just slide it in. And just get it in there. It's a little high up, isn't it? And then basically get it to how you want it. And then, now let's still turn, oh, the bottom one, I didn't tighten the bottom one. Tighten like that. And there we are. Now, the only problem with this is that you got to dick around a bit to see how it works. So I'm going to actually turn on the GoPro, start recording, and I'm actually going to adjust this down a little bit, and I'm going to have to hook it up to the computer and see how it comes out so that I get the best video quality possible. Now, the reason this can be raised so high is because if it's really high up, you can get a really nice angle, but I don't like having this goddamn pole sticking out of my head, you know what I mean? So this is how I'm going to do it. So that should actually be good. Once you're done tightening this, you might want to tighten it with a screwdriver, but I think I'll be alright as long as I tighten it here. You can break it with a screwdriver too if you're not careful, so just keep that in mind. So I'm going to put the GoPro on and see what it looks like. Alright, so I got the GoPro on my head. Not sure how that looks, but I'm going to adjust it, get it figured out. I'll see if I can hear myself through this. I don't know if you'll be able to hear my voice going down the road until I get a side mount, but yeah, I don't want to be yelling things, and you'll be sitting at a light, people think you're insane, you're just talking to yourself, yelling to yourself, you don't want that. So, yeah, we're going to see how that works out. Okay, so that's really easy, so I can have the helmet on my head, press the one button, beep beep beep, and then press the top button. Oh, I need to clean my room. It's coming along though. Still moving most of my stuff, but down. So when I look straight ahead, I'm looking at just the top of these, so not sure how that all looks, but not sure how well I can hear myself. That's with the helmet down. Now I got it up. I don't know if that's any better, but yeah, so we'll see how that works. Now we're going to unplug it, or plug it into the computer and see how that looks. See how good that is. And we're off. I don't know what, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the first video with the GoPro, so there you go, GoPro Hero. I wonder what people think of this. You got this fucking multicolored e-bike, covered in goddamn rust. Looks like a bucket of bolts. Goes slow as poo. And it's got a goddamn GoPro on, and the guy riding's got a goddamn GoPro on. Like he's some kind of supermoto guy. It's kind of funny, really, when you think about it. Yeah, well, fuck. Like I said, though, mostly this is just to cover my ass in case someone fucks me over some stupid shit. So, and the lights are gonna change. Off we go. Got some folk behind me. Behind me, yeah.
that's kind of nice in its own sense. Oh, thanks! They know where it's going. My bike's indicator just went out completely. What the hell? Was that some kind of... Oh, there it goes. That was weird. Oh, no, it's going out again. What the hell is going on? That's fucking weird. No, we're still good. Okay. Looks like the motor controller with the built-in alarm system it controls all that shit, so that's good enough. I'm not gonna get fucked over. That's funny. Oh, God. GoPro on an e-bike, it's kind of a weird thing, isn't it? Kind of strange. So this guy's gonna race for it. Ah, he made it. There it goes. Yeah, that shunt mod sure made a freaking difference. Well, I don't know how fast I'm going, which doesn't matter. I can't hit the speed limit anyway. And, what else? Oh, gee, I don't know if I'm gonna run out of battery. Oh, gee, gotta love digital gauges. Holy shit. This road is rough. Alright, I think I'm gonna turn around. I don't feel comfortable about saying that most of the time. This thing is messed up. Oh, I guess that's what you get for buying Chinese. Oh well. Whee! I'll be honest, I think I'm going to turn the blinker off on the GoPro. I think it's freaking people out. Where'd I come from? I don't even fucking know. Oh, okay. I know where I am. Whee! How's that? Yeah, it's pretty bad. Oh, nice. Alright, we're gonna make this. And of course. Going in. And the speedometer finally took a shit. I'm gonna have to open it up. Sometimes it goes to come back on, but I don't know, I think it's completely goofed. Hey, we can take a shortcut through Wally Mart. Why not? Whoa, careful. Oh, this is cool. Oh, and I ran over something. Oh, actually, there's a cool passageway I want to show you. We come back around. There's a cool passageway back here. One way, it's a one-way too. That's pretty sweet. Alright, let's get back home and figure out what the hell's with that. It's probably a really easy fix. The plug might have came loose or something, but I don't know. I may have to hardwire the, holy shit, I forgot that was there. I'm gonna have to hardwire the wires to get rid of the plug if it's that bad until I can find another plug. And then, like, off a computer or something, use that instead, because the plugs that are on this bike are a piece of shit. I think they're loose from factory, they just get worn out, they're fucking garbage. So, oh boy, am I gonna make the lights? Yes, I am. Alright, cool. There we go. Sweet. Now this bike has cruise control, so that's nice. You just set and ride.
Okay, so I just watched the video back on, there, that's how it was, on my computer, and I realized when I was recording, this is how it was. I thought it was straight, and I realized when I look at it, it's pointing down, so, maybe next time I won't record the ground. Anyways, so the GoPro is a lot more than I thought it'd be. Awesome. Anyways, so, I think, I'll be uploading 2 more videos by next week. So that would be between May 11th and May 15th, I believe. So tomorrow I'm making the videos. This is going to be one of me riding the e-bike to school and back. And then I'm going to be putting it on my Volkswagen and make a little video of that. Because I like to get a lot more Volkswagen videos up on my channel. It's called Volkswagen Dave for a reason. The only reason I haven't is because I haven't had any reason to be driving my Volkswagen lately. So, I'm trying to save money right now. Oh well. Anyways, so that's next week, so look forward to that. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more GoPro Hero. Thanks for watching.